Full body stretching routine done at the bar. We are going to begin sideways to the bar, right leg in front, left leg to the back, right hand by your side. Souple forward, slowly take your time and feel this stretch. Breathe. You're gonna bend your back knee, you're gonna flex your front foot, and you're gonna feel the stretch in your right calf. And stretch forward. Lift your chest halfway up. And lower down. Hold it. Bend your front knee. And lean forward and feel the stretch on your back calf. And stretch. Recover up. Open arm at your side. Breathe. And come right to the back. Recover up. Parallel first position. Open. And lower chest down. Try to hold your legs with your right hand. And you're going to bend. And stretch. And bend. And stretch. Last time, bend, stretch and recover up. We're going to twist back, facing back, and recover. Breathe to the back and breathe. Recover up and twist towards the bar. Hold it. And recover forward. We are going to do demi-plie. You're going to bring your right knee towards the chest. Hold it, hug your leg, stretch supporting leg. Hold it there. If you want to feel the stretch even farther, you can lean back and you will feel that hip flexor of your supporting leg stretching. Don't forget to breathe. Lower leg down and repeat one more time. Demi-plie. Bring right knee up to the chest and stretch supporting leg. Lean back. Recover up. You open knee to your side. Lower down. Lift up. And open to the bar. Souple forward and hold it. Recover up. One more time. Breathe in. Souple forward. And lift, recover up. Last one, we are going to do demi-plie. Chest to your leg. Hold that demi-plie, hold that position. Stretch supporting leg. Lift to releve. Recover chest up. Open your arm and face the bar. Open your left arm and souple to the side towards the leg on the bar. Hold that position. Recover up. One more time. Towards the leg on the bar. Recover up, demi-plie, towards the bar with plie. Stretch, releve, recover chest up. And now we are going to face the bar. We are going to hold right leg from your knee, lean forward. And if you want, you can stretch to penché or just hold it there in attitude. Recover up, lower down, and ready to repeat everything to the other side. Left leg in front, sideways to the bar. 7. And down. Take your time. Feel the stretch. Don't forget to breathe. Bend your back knee. Flex your toes facing up. Feel the stretch on your left calf. Keep breathing in. Recover center. Lift chest halfway up. Lower down. And hold that position. Bend your front knee. Lean forward and feel the stretch on that back calf. Recover up. Open arm by your side and breathe cambre. Recover up. First position parallel. Open and breathe down. Bend and stretch. Bend and stretch. One more. Bend and stretch. Recover up and look at the back and feel the twist on your back. Hold it. Recover center. Breathe to the back. And twist toward the bar. Recover center. Demi-plie. Bring your left knee towards the chest. Hug your leg and stretch. Hold that position. You can challenge yourself by leaning back. Recover center, lower leg and demi-plie. Repeat one more time. Again, you can lean back or you can just hold it there. You're gonna open knee by your side and lower down and lift leg to the bar. Forward soufflé. Recover up. Breathe again one more time. Hold it. Up. Last time, demi-plie. Go forward. And stretch. Releve. Recover up. Face the bar, leg by your side, and open your right arm. Soufflé towards the leg on the bar. Hold it. Recover. One more time. Recover. Demi-plie, stay in demi-plie. And reach towards the leg on the bar. Stretch supporting leg. Relevant, recover up. Back to face the bar. Left leg behind you. Lean forward. You can stretch to planche. And recover up. Parallel. Well done, everyone.